Just a mock-up, my work in progress Jensen 25. Just sprayed the first coat on the firebox just to see where I still have imperfections to fix. The nickel plating on the boiler was nasty, about 50% gone, so I've stripped it all off. I, however, do not plan to touch the engine at all. And I've just stained the wood base. Probably needs another coat of stain. And then the clear coat. The mess around the sight glass isn't so obvious as it used to be. It's not bolted on tight yet, I'm still waiting for parts. I need new steam screws for it. I'm not going to polish the plating off of the old safety valve or whistle. If anything, I'll use a new whistle and safety valve and strip them instead. I'd like to leave as much of it original as possible, so the main focus has been on the boiler. Ordered a chimney for it too, but we'll see whether I leave it nickel or strip it. I hate to strip a brand new chimney. And that's it for now.